How's it going, everybody? Hope you're all doing well. All right, so let's dive in to the belt kit or first line gear or your battle belt rig or whatever you decide to carry or call it for the most part. I did a plate carrier one, had some good reception off of that, so I figured what the heck, let's go ahead and continue with this. So I'm going to show you my modular belt setup. Now this is pretty much the perfect or best setup that I have found for modularity in mind or mission adaptability. Now, of course, if you're followers of the channel, you're gonna know some of the stuff I'm gonna talk about. But for those of you who do not know, there's an interesting product here that is extremely cheap that makes life so much better. So initially, right off the bat, the belt itself is a Blue Alpha Gear. This is a War Poet belt specifically. So this thing's fairly older for most, I guess 2018, 2019, and it is doing really well actually. Still, the Velcro is still doing exceptionally well, having no issues with it. So typically, as you see here, I run one pistol, two M4 or rifle mags, a less than lethal, dump pouch, IFAK of some kind, and then my pistol. Fairly reasonable setup. Now, as you see is the number here, this is a 28-inch belt. I am a very skinny person. That's just who I am, unfortunately, or fortunately, depending on how you look at it. So I cannot fit a lot on here. Unfortunately, that is kind of the bummer because I have a lot of coworkers that have 34-inch waist, and that's, an extra 6 inches of literal room that they can put more gear. So I tend to load my carriers heavier and then leave my belt for, those specific items. Now, what I'm going to talk about specifically is makes this thing really cool and easily modular. And what do I mean by that? Is all these tech locks. But what's attached to the tech lock is the big kind of deal, and it would be the Raptor adapter. Now they make singles, they make doubles, they make shorts, they make micros. The company, Guardian Warrior Solutions, who makes this, which I'll throw them in the description box below, they're really cheap, really awesome, and most of you may see this before, but you can easily flip these out. Say I don't want these anymore. You just pull those out, they're gone. They are gone from your belt setup. Same with these ones. Now these ones are zip tied in from me, but it's easy because all you do is you take pliers or whatever and you just snip it and it's the same exact way. It just keeps it another retention. Cool, I don't want my dump pouch there. Unlock and it's gone. So now you can get rid of all this stuff and run slick if you wanted to, including this, which this is just a normal ass pouch, so it's not using that, so that's gone. Now if I would cut the little zip ties, which are replaceable, reusable, you can just flip these out. There's one, gone. I'll adjust it a little bit and gone. There you go. There's my micro, ooh. Oh, that's a sim round. If you've never seen one, one fell out of my gear because we've been using it. These are little projectiles that they shoot at you and have little paint markers, and they really hurt. I still have a scar on my finger from when I got lit up being point man on one of the last training exercises. It's funny, that just fell out. Different discussion. Anyways, but as you can see here, I have Velcro on them too to keep on the inner side, but these just easily work. And if you want to, you can tighten these up, like I said, so you don't have these expand or go off you. See how this one doesn't work? You got to angle them a little bit up like that. There you go. Cool. So that's what I particularly use. And now with that, I can run a fully slick belt if I really want to. And if I don't want to, then I just run all of this stuff back on it. But that's typically the setup. If I don't need that extra magazine, or say I'm putting it on the carrier, just run it down one. Now, normally I will run the Safariland single because it has no light on it, but this is the same holster. These both are the same holster. It's just, this is for my M18. This has a light on it now. So it uses the same setup and I can interchange off depending on what I'm doing. So, and then I forget who makes this. I just recently picked it up, just trying it out. I normally run the original Safariland setup, which is honestly really good. I'm trying this thing out. It has more adjustability, which I know a lot of people like, which this does too, a little bit, not too terribly. Normally you adjust it within here, not this, the mounting plate. You normally do the male adapter, which you can see mine's like maxed out on this side and it's slightly canted, which this allows, if you use this product, it allows you to, you know, adjust the actual female part and you can adjust the male part just to get it the right ride height, the right cant, all that kind of stuff. And it's more rigid. I know some people were complaining about the flex of this. I never had any issue with it, but some people like different things. I'm testing it. Figured what the heck. So that's the belt setup. Guardian Warrior Solutions, awesome stuff. They make these and they're Tigris, which is super cool. Actually, that one's kind of loose at the moment, which that's an older one. As you can see, these are the newer ones that come with it. So I just got to tighten it down. Probably didn't tighten it down recently, but use Loctite and then you'll be good to go. They originally had, before they upgraded Tigris, they were using Kydex, which was still effective. If you have some, they're awesome. But the Tigris ones are like literally cut 75% of the weight at and upped the rigidity and the strength. So, yep, I like them. All different types of stuff. These are HRT mag pouches. I'm liking them. They work fairly well. So, other than that, that's my setup. If you guys like this kind of stuff, definitely like, subscribe. I appreciate it. And if this gets some traction, then I'll probably do Third Line Gear too. Or if just someone requests it, hey, I want to see it, then I'll probably end up doing Third Line, my 72-hour kit that's good for helicopter operations and stuff like that. Fun stuff. All right. Hope you all have a great day.